That was a bad solar day. You can see I used 8.2 kilowatt hours of electricity. That there is a good solar day. You can see I've used 3 kilowatt hours of electricity. You can clearly see there where you've had good sun during the day. Morning, afternoon, evening people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony. This is little Teddy, and he's a bit poorly today. He's got a bad tummy, he's been sick. But he's alright in himself. If you have been following the channel, you will know that about 6 weeks ago or so I got an Ecoflow Stream Max solar generator and two 400 watt panels. In a second I'm going to take you outside and show you the setup. Now, in that last video I did say that I was going to, a month in, show you how much energy I produced, how much I saved. As you're going to see in a second, the way the panels are set up is not ideal. My back garden is north facing, the front of the house is south facing. But that just does demonstrate the versatility of the Ecoflow Stream series. And people even have them in flats on balconies with the panel just hanging on the balcony. People have hang on the garden fences, all different kinds of setups. Anyway, before we go through the figures, I'm going to show you in the app how much energy I've generated. So my Ecoflow's there, just inside the front door. Smart meter is there, I did do a video on that. One solar panel's there, the other solar panel is lying flat on there. That is south. So with the sun being low in the sky, the sun comes around, gets to about here at about 10:30, 11 in the morning, and then we get probably about 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, and then the sun sets over there. So as you can see from that, I'm probably only getting about 4 hours or so of optimum sunlight. The sun rises, I'm getting very little. As it comes around, it gradually increases, so I'm kind of getting a couple of hours of the maximum amount of solar. And then when the sun moves around there, again I'm getting very little. So, let's go through the figures. Oh, okay, so 29th of December it is, 29th of November it is today. I actually installed that system on the 11th of October. So I'm going to show you the whole month of November, and I'll show you the whole 6 weeks I've had the system in figures. Now, I'm not sponsored by Ecoflow, however I put a link in the description of the video. You can join Ecoflow, it's free. You get eco points, I get eco points, I think you get a discount as well towards your first kind of purchase. So I'll put that in the description of the video. I'll also put the video up here at the end of this video of me installing that Ecoflow and unboxing it. So first things first, I'm going to show you in the app on my phone the electricity consumption of the home on a bad solar day and a good solar day. So I'm going to start recording the screen now. As you can see there, that was a bad solar day. You can see I used 8.2 kilowatt hours of electricity. Now I'm going to flick to a good solar day. That there is a good solar day. You can see I've used 3 kilowatt hours of electricity. You can clearly see there where you've had good sun during the day. And I've used 0 electric from the grid. In the evening then we've consumed what's left in the battery. I've used 0.44 of a kilowatt hour there cooking dinner. Generally I'd use a kilowatt hour there, maybe a bit more. So next then, let's go to the Ecoflow app. So as you can see there, I've got 228 watts of solar coming in right now. 170 watts is going to the home. I'm taking 0 from the grid. So even on the weather like today, you've seen it's overcast, I'm getting a good bit of solar coming in and I'm actually running my home. So as you can see there, yesterday 1.23 kilowatt hours of electricity I brought in. The day before that was a terrible day, look. The day before that, mediocre. 25th of November there, 1.66 kilowatt hours. That was a terrible solar day there. That day was absolutely terrible, look. So as you can see, we've had a mixed bunch of days. There was a good solar day, 1.8 kilowatt hours almost. I think the best I've had out of it though is about 2 kilowatt hours. So let's go to the month now. So the month of November, I pulled in 23.28 kilowatt hours. And if I go to the year, that's showing us what I pulled it all together in the whole 6 weeks of the system. 45.09 kilowatt hours. So now let's move on to money. So in the month of November, I saved £5.82 this year, this month, and my all-time earnings are £11.27. So in 6 weeks, £11.27 worth of electricity we pulled in. So there you go, that's what the Ecoflow has pulled in electricity-wise for me. The bit of precarious setup that I've got. If I could track the sun, I reckon I could double that. And that has been with some very, very bad solar days. Sometimes a lot of them in a row. Anyway, if you did enjoy that video, found it useful, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see the video where I installed that system, I'll put it up here now. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.